Okay, who's the foul one?
Say it again?
Who's the foul one?
Let's see.
Who's right behind her? No.
No. 32.
She's the one coming around the side there.
Pink shoes. But pink laces, pink bottoms?
She's right here with the ponytail. Right there, getting in the middle. 28? 70
something.
Oh, so that's the other girl. Okay. Is she like the floater? Woo!